Do you want 5 simple steps to get a girlfriend? In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 simple steps to get a girlfriend for you, even if she's not interested in you. Maybe you're looking to have regular intimacy with a girl that's more than just a friend with benefits. Or maybe you're looking for a girl to have a deeper emotional connection or to sleep with. Or maybe you are too eager to get a girlfriend that you are scaring all the girls away. In this video, I'll show you what steps to take to make a girl fall in love with you. Why should you never chase a girl to make her fall in love? And how to make her worry about losing you. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you 3 body language secrets to attract beautiful women as long as you want. But before that, if you like videos about men's relationship advice, dating guide, then subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. So with that, let's get started with 5 simple steps to get a girlfriend. The very first thing you need to do is get your headspace right as a man. You need to adopt a strong, powerful masculine frame and start living like a true alpha male. Now, not every man is going to be alpha, and there's nothing wrong with that. You may be a lone wolf, like a sigma male. Or, you may be a relatively normal guy, like the delta male. But in any case, it's incredibly important to understand one thing. You need to level up to become a better man. This is the first and most important step on the path to succeeding at getting a girlfriend who'll display true, real, burning sexual desire for you. Becoming a high-value man is a lifelong pursuit. But you can start today by changing your mindset, leveling up your body, increasing your earning potential, and educating yourself. Start hitting the gym. Start reading some quality books. Start listening to some great podcasts. In other words, start truly leveling up to become the best man you can possibly be. You don't have to completely succeed at all of this to start dating. As long as you're getting started, putting in the work, and have a plan for your future, you're on the right track. But a word of caution, you should never let women interfere with your personal journey as a man. As a man, you must press forward and become the best version of yourself that you can possibly be. That needs to be your first priority, always. Once you start dating a girl, you'll see that all of your self-improvement will provide you a significant advantage in the dating world. So remember, you need to work on becoming a high-value man. Once you've built good mindset, and have some traits of high-value man, now, it's time to meet some girls. The main thing to keep in mind when preparing to go out and meet women is that you don't want to be focused on meeting women. This may sound strange, but hear me out. You want to be focused on living your best life as a man, while also organically expanding your social circles. There's a distinct difference here. Men who are constantly chasing women convey a subtle, yet loud message, a message of sexual scarcity, desperation, and low value. And women pick up on it. Whereas, men who are out to live their best lives, pursue their purpose, and meet other high-value people, without obsessing about women, give off a much different vibe, a vibe of sexual abundance, masculine power, and high value. So remember, while meeting a girl, don't be so needy and play hard to get. And if you don't know where to meet women, and how to approach her, then I have put article link in the description, you can check that out. Now you have starting to meet some women, and probably you've got one, to whom you want to go on a date with. If you felt a connection, you could tell her that you would like to see her again, and ask for her number. If she gives it to you, you could send her a message that same night, or the following day. Just ask her how she's doing, and you can be text buddies first. Then when you know she's comfortable, ask her out. You can simply ask her if she's free on this day. You could do this through text, or you can also do it face to face, especially if you regularly see her. If she say yes, then plan the date. But when she outright says no, then need to respect that. Amp up your flirt game, continue talking to her and show her your good intentions. Then next time, she will easily accept you to go on a date with you. Falling in love happens when you spend time together. It results from great conversations, joyful moments and experiences, and eventually, the feeling of being secured. Become self-aware of your true feelings, before you ask her to become your girlfriend officially. You should first be clear of your feelings for her. If you're just stringing her along because it's convenient having someone, but you're not really falling in love, then she shouldn't be your girlfriend. She can be your best friend. But when you want to spend every minute with her, when it is her you think about first when you have little wins in life, then that means that you are already falling in love with her. When you want to commit and you know she's also ready, then go for it and ask her to be your girlfriend. Now it depends on the woman's personality, if you think there should be a proposal involved. Yet it's not like you're asking her to marry you, so you could also do it more casually. There you have the 5 easy steps to get a girlfriend. But there are some men who still want to take a shortcut to get a woman. And if you feel that's me, then I have put together 3 body language secrets. With this you can attract any women you want and as long as you want. Link is in the description of this video, you can check that out. And if you want more videos on men's relationship, dating guide and making a girl fall in love, then make sure you subscribe, so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you want to know how to make a girl crazy for you, then you can watch this video.